Hey guys, welcome back. As we are learning XPath access method, I will repeat again what is XPath access method. XPath access method are used to find the complex or dynamic element. Today we will understand what is the use of parent and child access method and how to use these method. So let's understand what is the parent access method. Parent access method locate the parent of a current node, and this is the syntax of this. It start with the double backward slash tag name attribute equals to value. This is our generic XPath syntax, and then double backward slash parent double colon tag name. So this is the syntax to find out the parent of a current node. I will explain you with the help of a family tree. So if you see this picture, this is a family tree picture. So we are going to discuss parent and child. So you can avoid all other things right now. I will explain all these things in next video as per the different access method. So in this video, this node A2 is our current node, and we will try to find out the parent of this node and the child of this node. So you can see that this is node A2 is a current node, and this image displays as a family structure, family tree. So node A is the parent of this node A2, and if you see that node A2 underscore 1 is the child of A2. So this was the picture description of a parent and child node. Let's see the same on a web application. I have opened a Salesforce application here. I will try to use parent and child access method on this application. So I will inspect this page. I will inspect this first name. You can see that I have inspect the first name. I will write the XPath of the first name. So I will do Control F, and this first name is an input ID. Input tag, I will use its name attribute. I will write the XPath double slash input square bracket and add attribute. Attribute is name. Name equals to the value which we have picked. It is giving me this element. It is giving me this element. Now we have to find out the parent. So what was the syntax for that? Double backward slash, we will type parent, double colon, and what is the parent of this one? You can see that it's a div class, right? It is a div. So I will type div. You can see that it is showing me one of one, and it is highlighting this element. On the right hand side in yellow color, it is highlighting inside this HTML document. And then on the left hand side on the application, you can see that it is highlighting this div element. So this is the way to find out a parent of a particular element. Now let's discuss what is a child access XPath and how to locate it. So child access method locate all the direct child node of a current node. And this is the syntax. This is our current node. Double backward slash child. We will mention the child. Double colon and tag name. Which particular child we are trying to locate. So let's see this on this same web page. Now you can see that inside this div class we have input ID, we have label, we have span. There are multiple child. If we are trying to locate a particular child, we will see we will use the child access method. I will type double backward slash div, and then if I use class attribute, let me highlight this element again. This is my div class. Now I will type double backward slash child double colon, and if I type input, it is showing me first name. So this is the way we can locate a child of a particular element. And if I type, rather than input, if I type label, because we have another child also for this one, and it is highlighting the label. And if I type span, it is highlighting here, but that particular message is not displaying here, so it was not highlighting. So I had click on unlock all resources, that's why it's displaying me this error message. Now you can see that on the left hand side also it is highlighting on the web page. Let's try to use the input element. So my requirement is that I want to enter something in first name, and because of attribute, let's assume because of we do not have any attribute, I cannot directly access this first name. That's why I am trying to make use of child access method. Input, I will use this. Let's write our code. So I have already created a class, and here I have created the driver instance. Here I am launching the browser and maximizing the browser. So this is the same code which we have created in previous class. I will make use of that. So now what we have to do, we have to enter a value in first name. So first we have to find out the element. We will use driver.find element. And as we are using XPath, we'll use by.xpath. By.xpath and then the XPath expression. This is my XPath expression. And we are trying to enter a value inside that. So we will use send method, send keys. Let's try to execute this one. So it has launched the browser, and you can see that it has entered a value in first name. So we entered value in this input box with the help of child access method. So parent and child access method are straightforward. Where we need to locate a parent of a current node, we have to use parent access method, and where we have to find out child of a current node, we have to use child access method. That's all for this video. Please do practice on XPath access method. We will discuss another XPath access method in another video. Till then, happy learning. Thank you. Bye bye.